Hi everyone, and welcome to this video. And today I'm very impressed to present to you the Samsung Galaxy A13, as you can see in this image here. So this is the Samsung Galaxy A13 with me, and I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the same, and then we check the specification for it, and then we'll do the full review after using the phone for some time. So let me open the box here. And as you can see, this is a box. Let me put this to the side. This is the handset itself. This is the Samsung Galaxy A13, and on the cover you can see it's written in Infinity V display, quad camera setup, and a fingerprint. So let's take this wrapping. I've already opened the phone. Let me take this wrapping. So this is the wrapping, and let me put it to the side. On the box, which I have already opened, so you get a SIM ejector pin, and the charger, and of course the charging cable. Let me show you the charger here. So this is the charger that comes in the box. It's just a 15 watts power adapter, which I think it's very slow. It's a quick charge, but it's very slow. There it is. This is a USB A to USB Type C cable. On one side it's Type C, as you can see, and on the other side it's Type A. So let me put this one to the side and come back to the phone itself. So this is a handset, the A13, and let me I have registered my fingerprint. Let me open the fingerprint, and as you can see, it's a good display. Unfortunately, it's an LCD PLS LCD screen, but I think the quality of the screen is good. On the front, let's have some physical overview. On the front, you have an 8 megapixel front facing camera. The screen is a 6.5 inch full HD plus screen. It's good. It's a full HD, although not an AMOLED. On the back, you have a quad camera setup, but nothing impressive. You have a main 50 megapixel camera, a 5 megapixel ultra wide, which I think is solo, and a 2 megapixel depth, and a 2 megapixel macro camera, which I think those are just useless cameras. It's only one. Let's assume it's only one camera. On the top, you have earphones. You have a noise cancellation microphone. On the bottom, you have a micro USB jack. The second microphone, USB Type C charging, and then the speaker. Unfortunately, no stereo speaker here, so the sound is just for one speaker, which I think is a big disappointment for the phone. But anyway, it's good. It's another thing is the version that I have here is it's a single SIM, although the phone also comes with a dual SIM. I like the UI. It's just the MIUI 4.0, and we can just go to the settings here. Let me go to settings, and let's go to about phone here. You can see it's A13 over there. You can see that it's A13 over there, and then let's go to the the software and the rest. So what I will do, I will just post the specification at the side here, so that you can get to know the specification before I do my full review. And for the first impression, I think the phone is good for the class, but nothing is impressive about it. Some of the things is that the video is captured full HD, no 4K, and I think it's not the best. It's not the best, but let's wait and do the full review, where we'll check the aspect of the phone and see how it performs, and see whether it's good for the 20,000 Kenya shilling price point, whether it's worth it or not. You can just check the specifications, and as I do my full review of the same, and then I'll see you on my next video. Please like, share and subscribe for more amazing videos as we wait for the full review. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. And Box Stimulant Reviews signing out. Thank you.